Less than 5% of postmenopausal women use hormone therapy today, not because it doesn't work, but because women were scared off of it. Let that sink in. Millions of women are exhausted, gaining weight, losing muscle, struggling with sleep, mood, focus, intimacy, and long term health. They're told it's just aging. That's menopause. That's life now. No, that's not. That's unsupported biology. Let me help you reframe this. There was a time before electricity, before running water, before the internet. People suffered then, not because it was noble, but because better systems didn't exist. Hormone optimization is the same. We're living in a moment where the science exists, but the standard of care hasn't caught up yet. Bioidentical hormones are not about vanity. They're about health, bone health, heart protection, breast health, metabolic resilience, strength, and quality of life. They are not a luxury. No one calls brushing your teeth or getting them cleaned twice a year a luxury. That's standard of care. Hormones should be viewed the same way. I'm Dr. Cheryl Winter. I'm 67 years old and I've been on hormones since way before menopause. I can't imagine my life without them. I'm healthier, calmer, stronger, happier, and yes, I feel younger because my body is supported instead of deprived. The belief that women don't need hormones after menopause is a belief that needs to be broken because it keeps women shrinking their lives instead of expanding them. Whether you work with me or another qualified provider, every woman in menopause needs to find a way to make hormone care part of their life. If you agree with this message, help me change the conversation. Like this video, share it, pin it, send it to a woman who thinks suffering is her only option. Aging as we know it does not have to be this way.